Welcome back to new video on Decor channel. Hello friends, today in this video I will show you modern UV marble sheet for interior walls. UV marble sheets are preferred for their enhanced durability, UV resistance and ease of maintenance, offering a cost-effective and aesthetically pleasing alternative to real marble. They are also known for their waterproof nature, making them suitable for wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens. The UV coating acts as a protective layer, shading against scratches, stains, and fading even in high traffic areas. They are resistant to water damage, mold, and mildew, making them ideal for wet areas like bathroom and kitchens. This durability translates to a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements and saving resources. UV marble sheets are significantly less expensive than natural marble, offering the luxurious look without the hefty price tag. They are also lightweight and easy to install, further reducing labor cost. Their smooth surface is resistant to dust and stains, making cleaning effortless. A simple wipe with a soft cloth is usually sufficient for maintenance. No sealing or polishing is required, saving time and money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring home decor content. If you want to ask any kind of question, you can do it in the comment section. Thank you all for watching the video until the end.